y'all, it's Crystal at MrsHappyHomemaker.com, and today I'm going to show you how to turn normal, boring, everyday, regular deviled eggs into Halloween deviled eggs. Now, how are we going to make these Halloween? Well, we're going to put spiders on them. Ooh, spooky. So I have made up my deviled eggs, and my favorite recipe for this is on the blog. I'll put a link in the description so you can find it. And I'm taking a normal can of black olives, and I have taken some of the black olives. They are pitted, by the way. And I have cut them in half, and that's going to be the spider body. And some of the black olives I have cut in little bitty strips, and that is the spider legs. So to make this big old spider on this deviled egg, I'm just going to take a half of an olive, stick it right there in the middle, and then I'm going to take 8 of the little slivers for his legs. And so you'll want 4 on each side. And that's it. Look. There's a spider on my egg. Uh-oh. I totally just ate a whole deviled egg on camera. The itsy bitsy spider crawled up my deviled egg.